Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the phone number input plus formatting plugin in Bubble. This plugin allows you to easily collect and validate phone numbers while also letting users select their country from a drop-down list. Okay? What makes it useful is that it can automatically format the phone number correctly, detect the country, and let you know whether the number entered is valid or not. So instead of manually checking phone numbers, the plugin handles that for you. All right, Chet, let's set it up. First, open the Bubble application where you want to use the plugin. Once you're inside the editor, head over to the Plugins tab on the left side. Now click Add Plugins on the top right. This will open the plugin marketplace where we can search for new plugins. In the search bar, type phone number input plus formatting. Once the plugin appears in the results, go ahead and install it. If the plugin requires payment, simply follow the purchase process and complete the installation. After the plugin is installed, you can open it to see what it provides. You'll notice that it includes elements, events, and actions that we can use inside our application. Now let's move over to the Design tab. Inside the Elements panel, search for phone number input. You should now see the phone number input element appear. Drag that element onto your design canvas. And just like that, we now have a phone number input field with a country selector. Next, let's configure the element. When you select it, you'll see several settings in the property editor. You can set a default value, configure the placeholder, and control the country list that appears in the dropdown. If your app mainly supports certain regions, you can limit the dropdown to those specific countries. You can also define a preferred country list, which places certain countries at the top of the dropdown so users can find them faster. Below that, you'll find styling options like background color, text color, and input style so the field can match your app's design. One of the most powerful features of this plugin is phone number validation. The plugin automatically checks whether the number entered is valid. If the number is incorrect, the user will see an error message. And when the number is valid, a success message can be displayed. The plugin also provides useful data states that we can reference in Bubble, such as the formatted phone number, country name, dial code, and ISO code. So if you want to display or store these values in your database, you can easily reference them from the plugin element. Now let's quickly preview the application. Click the preview button and you'll see the phone number input along with the country selector. If I type an incorrect phone number, the plugin immediately shows that the number is invalid. But once I enter a correct number, the plugin confirms that the number is valid and returns the formatted number, the country name, the dial code, and the ISO code. And that's how you can use the phone number input plus formatting plugin to collect and validate international phone numbers in your Bubble application. This plugin is especially useful for sign-up forms, contact forms, or any system that requires accurate phone numbers from users around the world. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via the chatbot on the ZeroQode website or by email at support@zeroqode.com.